no time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. That's what you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want to, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. Once like you are now, and I know that it's not